In this video, we're going to show you how to send an email campaign using Housecall Pro, a powerful tool for managing your service-based business. Whether you're sending out promotions, appointment reminders, or just staying in touch with clients, email campaigns are a key part of maintaining good customer relationships. Let's dive right in. Housecall Pro makes it easy to manage your email campaigns from one simple dashboard. First, head over to the marketing section on your dashboard where you'll find the email campaigns tab. Here you can create and manage all your email campaigns in one place. Click Create Campaign to get started. The software will ask you to choose a campaign type. You can select from options like promotional emails, newsletters, or appointment reminders. This flexibility allows you to tailor your message based on your goals. Once you've selected the campaign type, it's time to choose your audience. You can send your campaign to all your contacts or filter them by specific criteria like service type, location, or last service date. This is where Housecall Pro really shines. You can send hyper-targeted emails, ensuring that you're reaching the right people with the right message. Next up, you'll choose your email template. Housecall Pro offers a variety of professionally designed templates, but you can also create one from scratch if you prefer. The templates are fully customizable, so you can add your business logo, choose your color scheme, and adjust the content to match your brand's tone. The built-in editor is simple to use, even if you don't have any design experience. Once your email is set up, it's time to write the subject line. A catchy subject line is crucial for improving open rates. You can personalize your subject line by including the customer's name or the service they booked. This small detail can make a big difference in getting your emails opened. After that, move on to the body of the email. You can add text, images, and buttons to encourage customers to take action, whether that's booking an appointment, checking out your services, or taking advantage of a limited time offer. Housecall Pro allows you to preview how your email will look on desktop and mobile, which is essential for ensuring a seamless experience for all recipients. Before sending, take a moment to review your campaign. Make sure everything looks good, check the links, and ensure you've chosen the correct audience. Once you're satisfied, simply click Send Now or schedule it to send at a later time. Scheduling emails is great for timing your campaigns perfectly, especially if you're sending reminders for appointments or promoting a special deal. Another great feature of Housecall Pro is the detailed analytics you get after sending your email campaign. You'll be able to track open rates, click-through rates, and other key performance indicators to see how effective your campaign was. This data will help you tweak your future campaigns to make them even more successful. And here's the best part. If you're new to Housecall Pro, you can use the software completely free from the first link in the description below, plus exclusive bonuses. This is a fantastic opportunity to get hands-on with all the features we've discussed and more without any risk. If you're new to Housecall Pro, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to send email campaigns, keep your customers engaged, and grow your business. With its simple interface and powerful marketing tools, Housecall Pro is an excellent choice for any service business owner looking to stay organized and communicate effectively. Now that you know how to send an email campaign, remember to check out the link below to claim your extended free trial and get started today. Don't miss out on the exclusive bonuses. Click below to get started with Housecall Pro and make your business more efficient and profitable.